Hey friends, if you encounter the issue where Windows Update keeps disabling itself automatically in Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to run an antivirus scan. How would you do that? Search for Windows Security in the Windows search bar and open Windows Security. Then go to the Virus and Threat Protection tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, select Scan options. Click on full scan, select scan now. Now the second solution will be to run an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator to open the elevated command prompt window. Type the command sfc space / scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. The next solution is to disable all third-party security software products. How would you do that? So here's the procedure. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu. Now go to the apps tab on the list on the left hand side. Select installed apps in the right pane. Let's say that this is a third party security software because I don't have them on my system already. Select uninstall, click on uninstall once again to remove it. Then troubleshoot in the clean boot state just in case some other third-party products are causing interference. So search for system configuration in the Windows search bar and click on system configuration. Go to the services tab. Check the box associated with hide all Microsoft services. If any of the service is checked, click on disable all, click on apply, OK, and then restart your system. And last of all, reset Windows Update components. So I have a script for you. All you need to do is, I'll share the script in the description section of the video. So all you need to do is copy the script and then search for command prompt in the Windows search bar. Click on run as administrator, paste this list here and hit enter. This script will disable all services associated with Windows updates. Then it will delete the Windows Update network profile. Then it will delete the contents of the software distribution and cat2 folders. Then it will register all the related DLL files. Then it will reset WinSock and finally it will restart the services. Just restart your computer after that and the problem will be solved definitely. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.